What's going on, guys? Big Mike, the 717 Outlaw here with you today. So today is the big day. Today is the 2018 Pennsylvania rifle season for deer. We are out in the garage. I'm getting my gear on. We're going to be hitting the blind here very soon. It's about 5:30 in the morning. I'm hoping to get there about 6. And hunting doesn't start till 6:30. So we're going to go out to the blind. We've been seeing some nice buck now at the farm. We're just hoping that one decides to step out here today. We'll be in the blind all day until dark, from light till dark. So, all right, guys, let's get to the blind and see if we can get a buck. All right, guys, so we actually did have some pretty decent luck so far. We did get 3 doe cut through the field. We're still waiting on a buck, but it's only about 7 a.m. We're just gonna keep searching and see what happens. Well, guys, the rain finally decided to stop. It's just shy of 2 o'clock. We're still out here waiting. Haven't seen anything. We're hoping that now that the rain has stopped, that the deer decide to get up and move. The rain usually keeps them pinned down for a while, but we're seeing some bird and some squirrel activity, so hopefully since they're up and moving, that the deer decide to follow suit. So we're just going to keep waiting. It's still opening day. Guys, well, unfortunately we have to end our first day of rifle season. I'm back home now, already changed out of my gear and everything. I'm getting ready for bed. I got work in the morning. Today was eventful, but we didn't get the buck that we wanted. We saw about 12 doe. They were mostly on the far edge of the field. The ones that were in our field were probably about 120 yards away. The other ones that were on the other side of the swimming hole that is across from us, they were pushing probably about 250. Yeah, we just didn't get any in close enough, and then we didn't have any buck. So we're going to go out again tomorrow and see what happens then. Alright, guys, see you tomorrow. Still out here. We got 6 doe in the other field across from us. It looks like the infamous flock of turkeys has decided to come back, so they're going to be popping out here in the field in a minute or two. And yeah, we're still waiting. 6 doe, over 20 turkey. Not a bad day, or at least not a bad evening. Thank you for watching up to this point. I know this video is probably a mashup of all the past days of going hunting with no luck. Started out the day the same. It was about 30 degrees out this morning. Pretty chilly, pretty frosty. Sun came out, it was pretty nice. Did see 4 doe cut through the field. It's still dark this morning. And didn't get it on film because the cold actually killed the batteries on my camera, so we couldn't see them. And the group of turkeys came through. I left to go grab some lunch and came back. And now we're just sitting out here waiting again. It is starting to rain, so we're gonna see. With it being cold and wet, a lot of times the deer don't seem to move as much, so we might end up calling it a day early and just hitting it back up on Monday morning, or not Monday morning, Monday night, once I get off work. Alright guys, thank you for staying tuned, and we'll jump into hunting next Monday.